Green Acres is a former mine land, and part of this job was a mine reclamation to turn into a full solar field. This was a former mine that had not been reclaimed, and to turn into a solar field we had to move several 100,000 yards of earth and then be able to get grass to grow without any topsoil available on site. We started earthwork in May of 25, and we started putting up solar panels in January of 26. It was a hard winter. The majority of the work was done from end of March till now. On this site, we average about 25 carpenters per day out here assembling racking, driving, piling, and putting up solar panels. Abe's Run is the exact same size site, 28 megawatt, relatively the same, different tracking system, different racking system, but the overall concept's the same, and roughly the same amount of panels, 42,000 panels. We'll probably get closer to 40 carpenters on that site starting here June 1st. Many of the staff from this site will head over to that project as well. It's really one large assembly line outdoors. The union carpenters are very good at managing their time and being able to perform these tasks efficiently and with precision. Every single bolt on this site has an exact torque dimension. The staff's able to accomplish those tasks and do it with perfection. We knew the only way that we'd be able to staff a project like this and be able to get the quality needed to certify the project was to use carpenters. We've worked with many other labor unions and many other labor staffing agencies and have yet to find anybody that has the attention to detail, understands rigging, can work safely, and is able to assembly line in the same manner that a union carpenter does.